Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. So a bit of a choppy day yesterday after the morning clip, and then we ripped down at the end of the day to close the session on these puts rising. Now we are up quite a bit, but we've given up about half of those overnight gains on some tariff news that we got last night. Apologies up front. It's pouring outside here in the Midwest, and so my dogs can't go outside and release all of their fun energy, so they're doing it right next to me as I make this video. So moving along, we did have a small red DEX there. We are up still quite a bit in the pre-market session, about $5. Here's what's interesting. A couple of things. One, still no whale target above 592, and right now we're right about yesterday's high of day on price, which is very interesting. We still have that same range, 592 to 575 we closed with yesterday, and customers slid into that bearish but very neutral territory yesterday right before that rip up. Going into our dark pools, largest on the ag is now 589.59, so we're still right around that kind of same $4 or $5 range in between the two largest, and a little bit thinner down as we go along, but not too thin. Mark them on your charts, and we'll move along to Gamma. So Gamma has shifted a little bit. Yesterday, down into the left was our biggest pull around 575, and today it's up and to the right, up into that 600. So here's the deal on the ag. Got to hold 585, and then 596 is our first small repel area if we want to get to 600. We lose 585 for some reason. Next biggest pull is 580. Let's check today's data and see where that brings us. 529, that is today. Let's take a look. So that's a little bit more interesting. It's showing if we lose 591, we're heading back down to 582 with the biggest pull at 584. If we stay above 591, we've got room to 595, which has been that level we've tested multiple times. We got over it in the after hours session, but we are back below it again. So very simple look on the daily. 591 we hold, we go up to 595. If we lose 591, we've got a pretty decent chance at 584, and then maybe 582 is our repel level. There's a huge positive gamma cluster there, with a small stop around 587. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.